one of the questions we get asked more than anything is what happens when you put a ground screw in and you come across a rock or a stone in the way. So what we've got here, we've mocked up the base, so we've got a ground screw here and a ground screw there, and we'd have worked out the spaces of the ground screws well within the tolerance of the load carrying capacity of the timber. So if I have to move this screw either side by whatever amount it needs to be, 200mm, 300mm, it won't really matter because we make sure we've got the load carrying capacity of the timber taken into account for being able to move the screw. Or the other thing that we can do is we've got this little plate. So what this plate here does, if this ground screw needs to be here, but we've got a rock or an obstruction here, we can move it to here, but then we have this offset plate that we can bolt onto the top of the ground screw. So effectively now what we've done is we put the load bearing of where it needed to be was here, but we've moved the screw to the right or the left, inside, inbound or outbound of where we need to be to avoid the obstruction.